Hello, hi, we're live and this is super exciting. Finally, this is happening. So many of you are going to join us, and this is a special live stream. Looking forward to speaking with a lot of you, interacting with a lot of you. Where am I? Who am I? Well, I'm Nidhi. I'm the founder of a live streaming e-commerce startup, and we get for you great brands and we make brands come alive, and we really help brands and their loyal shoppers interact very intimately, right? So today is a day where we're at Skincraft's office, and this is a very popular brand, I know, because this has got such customized solutions. In fact, this is India's only custom care skin regime brand which absolutely is made for your skin. Have you seen their campaign, I Am My Type? I completely was blown over by that campaign. So this is their office. I'm just waiting for a lot of you guys to join, because usually when we go live, it takes a little bit of time for the notifications to go and for people to join in. So, hi, okay, people are joining in. Right, this is so good. So remember, we're at Skincraft's office and we're live streaming. The fact that we're live streaming is because we want interaction. So keep your questions, anything around your skincare regime. If you've been using Skincraft already, fabulous. Let us know how has the experience been. And this is a lovely brand, and I've been using it for about a month now, a little less than a month, and it's been great for me, right? So I'm just waiting for some more people to join. Keep your comments coming, and if you look forward to a session with the brand, we have a brand expert as well, which I'm going to introduce you very soon, and we're going to have a very good conversation, right? So which are the skincare products you guys are using right now? How is your skin doing? Do you have any concerns? Is it all going well? Oh my God, this is great. So many people joining us, fantastic. So how are you guys doing? All wonderful. And how many people are already using Skincraft? People who are using Skincraft already, send me a like button while I enter their laboratory. So we're live streaming from a real location. This is, and that's a lovely guest.
Hey, I'm Abhishekta here.
Why don't you come sit? We're ready for a conversation. I have so many questions for you. She is a formulation expert and skin expert at the brand Skincraft, and she's also a gold medalist. So whatever she says comes with a lot of authority and credibility, and very warm welcome.
Thank you so much.
Live stream, the feeling is so different, right? Because we know we can interact with our shoppers real time right now.
Truly agree.
Yeah. So I was telling them that they should have their questions handy, comments handy, so that truly the brand can talk to you, understand your positive or any positive comments or any concerns if at all, because I believe they've put more than 10,000 hours of research, and Abhishekta was telling me behind the scenes that they constantly actually work on improving their products, right?
Yeah, absolutely, we do.
That's great. My first question, please tell me what my skin type is. Sometimes I feel it's oily. Sometimes I have dry patches. How can I have dry patches with oily skin? And if I have dry skin, why do I have acne? So what is my skin type? And is it a very common question?
It is actually a very common question, so that is why we offer you Skincraft. So Skincraft is actually like a virtual dermat to you. So whenever you visit a dermatologist clinic, what are the first things doctor asks you? Like starting from your age, your diet, your skin concerns, and if you are on any medication or not. And also, like if you are coming up with an acne problem, he will ask you questions like how many are these, and what are the areas on your face that are getting affected mostly, and are these pus feel, are these painful, what does they look like? So all of these questions you will get on the Skin ID quiz that is available on the Skincraft website. So once you fill those questions, our virtual dermatologist, our algorithm will give you your skin analysis, and it will show you what are the areas you need to cover, and it will suggest you products based on that. It is a three product regime: a cleanser, a moisturizer, and a active for the special concern you have. So like if you are having an acne concern, it will be an anti-acne serum or anti-acne cream given to you.
My God, this doesn't, definitely to me, doesn't sound like an off-the-shelf or a mass brand. See, I'm not trying to criticize anybody, but hey, you know, anything that we do in life, we always want to feel unique and special. And I'm very curious. I mean, whatever she said sounded so logical. I'm just thinking, why don't we have a brand already who's making a product for my skin? Why am I trying to fit into products which are not for me, maybe? And is that the reason why we don't see that kind of, those kind of results to say that, oh, it really worked wonders? Because probably it was never made for me in the first place.
Yes, actually, you are absolutely right. So
Yeah.
every skin profile is very different. So like you said, you are having a dry skin, and although you are having some acne issues.
Yeah,
so that is,
can you see, or has it reduced?
yeah.
Has it reduced? I've been using Skincraft for about a month, and I do think that there is no active.
I can see a improvement in your skin, right? Truly.
Compliments are always welcome,
I know.
especially with women.
Yeah.
So,
The thing is ki, every skin profile is different, so you need to treat every skin differently. So when you come to Skincraft, we know what your skin is, what your skin actually needs. Maybe you are not aware of it,
Yeah.
but the questionnaire will drive you to that result, and you will
Wow.
finally end up using the correct product that are made for actually you.
yeah, and I completely agree with what Abhishekta is saying, because I've taken that questionnaire. And if you're thinking questionnaire meaning, oh my God, I have to answer questions, don't you worry. It's actually, the whole website is designed so well, and I think are done with about 20 questions in less than 60 seconds. And what is delightful at the end of the questionnaire is that you have 3 products made for you. And I cannot tell you how special it feels to have something and a brand coming to me and saying that, hey, you are your type, you're unique and you're special. So these are the products for you. So this is my kit, and the way I'm holding it shows that I'm already so possessive.
Yeah.
I love the cleanser, the moisturizer, everything. I'm going to show you guys soon. But okay, I think there are a lot of people joining in. And remember, this is live and we're in the laboratory of the brand Skincraft. And I know you know about the brand Skincraft because they have a wonderful social media presence and they have more than 4 lakh happy customers. That's a brand with a lot of impact. So I'm sure you've heard of the brand. You're following us on social media pages. So if you have questions, today is a chance that you can ask us those questions. We have Abhishekta from the brand. She's a skin expert. We will be more than happy to take your questions. And if you find the live stream useful, if you find these inputs useful, do send us your likes. And don't be miserly with sending us hearts as well. We don't mind love coming our way. So do that. While I know there are so many questions coming up, so I'm going to pick up questions which are, I think, very popular and frequent. And I can see, how can I trust the products? Which I completely understand. See, all of us in our skincare journey, Abhishekta, we have done some sort of adventure. We have experimented, and sometimes the experiments have not gone so right. So with Skincraft, why would you say that this experiment could be successful? Why should I try Skincraft, and why should I not worry that it might wreck my skin completely?
So Skincraft is made of very safe ingredients. Each and every ingredients we choose, we have our own research behind it. Why there is a particular reason why we choose a particular ingredient for a particular skin profile. And every ingredient is chosen very safe. Like we have
There are a lot of people saying hello to you.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
So like I was saying,
Yes.
our products are sulfate free, silicone free, paraben free, and also non-comedogenic and cruelty free as well.
Wow.
So you can make out of that.
But not, don't you think all the brands have this? Sorry, I'm just being the devil's advocate. I am not from Skincraft. I've been using Skincraft as a consumer, and I did have chronic acne as an issue. So I've been using it for about a month, little less than a month, and I'm seeing good results. I'm very comfortable with the products. It does feel so. I'm being the devil's advocate here,
Yeah.
and I think that's what you want. On behalf of everybody and on me also. So I mean, don't all the brands take care of it? Like sulfate free. Most of the premium brands would be sulfate free.
Yeah, nowadays a lot of brands are coming up with the sulfate free thing, but you have to keep in mind that keeping it sulfate free is not the only solution. You have to, befit the deliveries that sulfate has, like the high foam and everything. So Skincraft is doing that.
Okay.
Although we are giving a sulfate-free formula, we are giving a good amount of lather that will get you that feel that okay, my skin is cleaning. So it's a perfect balance. It's not too harsh, not too low. It will give you a perfect balance of foam, and the moisturizing elements we have used, those have balanced it very perfectly.
We have a lot of people working in the laboratory, so just looking around. And yeah, so actually before I show the products to people, I want to tell them that this is the brand. You can see Skincraft, and what we have today. See, we will continue chatting, but if you wanted something totally custom made for you, what you have to do, like Abhishekta just mentioned some time back, is go to skincraft.com right away. You also have a link in the bio in our profile page. You can just click there and click on the button Know Your Skin. You will see the questionnaire. Answer the questionnaire, which goes like that in a jiffy. It's very, very playful. We've all had fun actually. It's almost like going to a dermat, like she was saying. You get your products, and this is pretty much what you're going to get. There are going to be 3 products in this, which are totally custom made for you. And you know what? We have a special offer. You should buy it totally before the day ends tomorrow, because everybody who shops for this kit is also going to get a very nice night serum. And you know what? The kit is only for $9.99. For the entire month, the kit is going to be only $9.99, whereas it's got 3 products. You heard me right? No. No. Yeah, I can see a lot of questions here. No, I don't mean to say that each product is $9.99. I mean to say the regime is worth $9.99 for the entire month. And if you shop before the day ends tomorrow, so before tomorrow EOD, like we say in office and corporate culture, is that you will get a night serum which has the acid. What acid?
Hyaluronic acid.
Hyaluronic acid. What does it do?
So it's a magical element. Actually, hyaluronic acid is already present in our skin. So with a lot of wear and tear on our skin we do, so it sometimes the plumpiness is lost. So with the external hyaluronic acid, if you give a dose to your skin, it will show the plumpiness. It's actually a good moisturizing agent, a brilliant moisturizing agent. It will attract the water molecules to your skin. It will make it look plumpier. Your aging signs. Yeah.
This is you were telling me the magical ingredient. Yes.
Yeah.
So this is worth $8.99.
Right. Yes. Exactly.
And it's coming free.
Absolutely.
For everybody who shops before the offer ends, and the offer is valid till tomorrow. And you were telling us more about this product. I'll let you finish the thoughts because people are listening to you very keenly.
Right. Yeah. So just to add that it has a very good anti-aging benefit also.
What else do we want?
Absolutely, moisturizing, anti-aging, and a night serum. You should dig into it.
So this is $8.99. See, oh my God, let me think about this deal, Abhishekta. I'm spending $9.99. I'm getting a product worth $8.99, free. Okay, so what are you waiting for? If you have experimented enough and not found a regime that you absolutely love, I think take the first step to having brilliant, lovely skin, which you completely deserve because you're your type. I'm my type. I'm Nidhi type. I'm not Abhishekta type, with all due respect. All of us have different skin types. And you know what? The offer doesn't end there. Do you know this? There are 3 lucky shoppers. You heard that?
Yeah, I have heard, but I was not sure about.
Yeah, you know what? If you shop, okay, before the offer ends, that is before tomorrow, you do DM us your purchase screenshot and tag 5 of your girlfriends, and also add the hashtag SkincraftXAbby. Abby is spelled as A-B-B-Y. It's very simple. A for America, A for Apple. Which one do you like? But you got my point. So A, B for Bangalore, and Y for yellow. A-B-B-Y. So SkincraftXAbby is a hashtag. Brilliant deal. Why are we going to talk? Because there is so much to talk about skincare, and we have a lot of guests. This is a very common question what she's asking. She's asking about dark patches. I can see. I think she's saying that my brother's wedding next month and I have dark patches. What can I do?
So for dark patches, we have SkinCraft Active. So Shravanya, you have to take the skin ID quiz, and if you correctly answer those, so you will be suggested the particular product depending on how much aggravated your concern is.
Okay.
So hopefully SkinCraft will give you a positive result. And to tell you, just to brief you about what the dark patches are, is actually it's a kind of hypopigmentation. So what hypopigmentation is, due to a lot of external and internal effects going on our body.
Yeah.
So there's a pigment called melanin that is present in our skin cells.
I read it in the science textbooks.
So yes, so due to the overproduction of this melanin pigmentation, some of the areas on our skin get darkened.
Okay.
So there you need to particularly cure those areas, that there are some particular actives that should work on those dark areas.
Great.
So this is the science
So
of
Shravanya, totally take the Skin ID quiz, and you have an added reason. You get the monthly subscription for $9.99, and you get the night serum, the magical night serum, because it's a very, I think, exclusive sort of an agent which helps in moisturization and anti-aging. What, $8.99, absolutely free, and you could be one lucky shopper also, remember, who wins an additional 1 month subscription. So I think I didn't finish the thought last time. That 3 lucky shoppers who purchase the product and send us the screenshot of their purchase, DM us, tag 5 of their girlfriends, and also add the hashtag SkinCraftXAbby, might win 1 month additional subscription. So this is a fabulous offer, and this is custom skincare just for you. Let's talk about it. You know, you heard my story. I'm going to show you the products, but I feel guilty of talking so much all the time. What we want you guys to ask us your questions. So if you've been using SkinCraft, do let us know. Okay. While the comments are coming, I want to now welcome our second guest. Okay. Hi.
Hello everyone.
Hi. So I think we're fixing the frame still. Vilobana is somebody that we as Abby approached, and we said, hey, would you take this Skin ID quiz and use the products and let us know, do you like it or not? And she actually shared her true experience with you. So, you know, before we actually do the questionnaire, the analysis, do you have anything to share with folks who are watching you?
Before they approached me, before Abby approached me to try SkinCraft, I had already heard about it because actually you guys do have like a very, very significant social media presence, but I just didn't get to try it before I was approached. I have been trying, I tried it like 2 weeks ago. I started using them, and honestly I have not found better products which are suited for my skin specifically.
Wow. Somebody is very happy. So what worked for you? Like, what is so fabulous about it?
Honestly, a lot of people are going to hate me for this, but I don't have skin problems. Like, I don't have any.
Don't we envy her? She doesn't have skin problems.
Don't hate me, guys. This has its own problems. So
no, we understand.
yeah, I mean, like, I don't have any major like issues with acne or patches or anything for that matter. Like,
then you don't need to use any skincare products.
no, but that's the thing, you do, because it's not going to stay that way. Like, I still am exposed to sunlight. I'm still exposed to dust and pollution. And I'm from Delhi, guys. It's very polluted there.
I know.
So yeah, I mean, you do need to have like basic skincare. The problem is when you go to a shop to get products off the rack, most of those products are so focused on solving skin problems that there are actually no products there for just maintaining no skin problems.
So her problem is that I have no problems. Just give me a simple product which helps me maintain.
Yeah.
Well, I understand.
Exactly. Like, I just need a product that just moisturizes my face without making it oily, without making it, you know, without not feeling hydrated.
Right.
Or like, just give me a cleanser which doesn't work for acne specifically. I just need something that cleanses my face. That's it.
Right. So Vishakti, is that the right time that we take the Skin ID quiz with her? And let's do an analysis. See, she has already taken the analysis and she has her kit and she's been using it for 2 weeks. But this is just a demonstration for all you folks to see that the questionnaire is really, really simple. And you know, what are the questions and how much time does it take? So you will see that it's a quick questionnaire, and it's the way it's designed is really playful, right?
Yeah, actually, honestly, I'm one of those people who runs away as soon as I see, oh, I have to fill a questionnaire. I'm not doing this. But honestly, this questionnaire was like really quick, really easy to answer. And there are certain questions.
This is a questionnaire, and I think I'm just going to pull the camera closer. Hey guys, can you see that questionnaire? We have a laptop in the background. So, you know what I'm going to do is, allow me. So this is a live format.
Right.
And what we're going to do right now is with Vilobna and our expert, we're going to take the questionnaire. Okay. So yes, we can see the questions. So Vilobna, are you ready for the rapid fire?
Yes, I am.
Alright, so why don't you read out the questions and, you know, answer the way.
So the first question is about my age. So they've not specifically put a number, they've asked for an age bracket. So mine is 18 to 25. Please don't ask my age, thank you. My gender is female. We then have, please select your concerns. So the concerns that they have addressed is acne, issues with blemishes, color and tone, or no issues. I have no issues.
And we envy her totally for that. But now we know that when you don't have any issues also is an issue. Okay?
Exactly. So describe the fine lines around your eyes and forehead. I have. Are you pregnant or breastfeeding at the moment? I actually really want to know why this question is there.
Yeah, so you know, some of our active do contain retinol.
Right.
There are a lot of products available in market as well, but we really don't know. There is a limitation of using retinol. So if a woman is pregnant or breastfeeding, or she has you know, a history of clinical depression or anything, then retinol should not be used. And if used, there should be a permissible limit. So that is why we ask this question, and this is very mandatory.
So see guys, there's a lot of things on this questionnaire that you would never have thought about your skin. But yeah, they're relevant questions. So yeah, this is none for me. Are you currently using any prescription skin lightening creams that contain steroids, tretinoin or hydroquinone? No, I don't. Right? So yeah, an oily forehead and nose bridge is true.
Okay, you have both the options.
Yeah, both
So
the options we can choose. You can choose multiple in this.
Yeah.
Next. How often does your skin flush, becomes red easily with temperature? Daily.
Alright. So while we're actually going to, Vilobna, why don't you enter your username? So what happens is, after you fill this questionnaire, you just have to make a username, and Vilobna is already, so while you guys, you know, if you have any questions, you can ask our skin expert right here and let me fill that for you. What was that important?
The allergies, if you get reactions on your skin.
So why were you saying about that?
Yeah.
And while you guys can also ask your questions, I'm just going to show you the analysis for Vilobna.
Yes. So sometimes we do not understand, like you told that you really got some of the you know, breakouts. So in that case, what you need to do, you always should do a patch test. Whenever you are buying a new product, you should always do a patch test. Do you know what a patch test is?
Apply it on like a smaller portion.
On hand
On
or
hand,
either
right.
on your neck, apart from your face.
All
if you
right.
get any reaction by it, so you should avoid using that product. So yes.
And we have her analysis. Do you want to explain us what this analysis is? I think there were about 25
Yeah.
questions.
Less, I think.
And you know, when you were answering the questions, Vilobna, it almost felt like you're at a dermat. You know, so you're
actually,
yeah.
exactly.
Yeah. So our skin expert is here. What is her skin analysis saying?
Yeah.
This
so,
is what you're going to see for your skin too. Yeah.
So that is what I was saying.
What are these red things?
The red things are which she needs to take care of.
Okay.
So the blue things, since she already told that she has very less issue, that she is very blessed with a good skin.
Yeah.
So that is why the red area means she needs to take care of smoothness and dry patches. So
Okay.
these two are the main things that.
And if I scroll down, here is product number 1. Do you want to give her her kit? We
Yeah,
can see there is
absolutely.
one you know, face cleanser, and what is good is it's completely tells you the benefits of the product. It also tells you a little bit of about the ingredients. I don't know why we're so obsessed about the ingredients, but we are.
We have to be.
Then she has this barrier repair moisturizing gel and anti-aging and antioxidant Booster shot. So, alright, so you can do the honors of giving
Yeah,
her her
sure.
kit, which I know she's so possessive about.
So
I'll tell you a little joke. We were like taking Vilobna's kit and she was like, this is mine. This is like, well, yeah, we will give it to you during the show. So yes, please hand her back.
this is your kit.
Thank you. This is me. This is for me.
And this is
custom.
for me.
Yeah. So exactly, this is my type of skin products.
And you totally don't want my skin products. Imagine Vilobna for a second that you have this no problem skin and I have this chronic acne skin and somehow we end up buying the same products.
Yeah,
How would
exactly.
it work?
You know, honestly, I'm pretty sure that if we go back, we would have probably bought some of the same products.
Oh my god, are you guys doing that? Don't do that, you know. So it's like that joke I say, that it's like going into Vilobna's wardrobe and trying to fit into her clothes. And I could fit into one or two clothes, but obviously I'm trying to do the wrong thing, right? Trying to fit into something which is not tailor-made for me. This is tailor-made for her.
Yes, absolutely.
So what's in it? Let's see.
Okay, so my kit here has 3 products like all the other kits. Starting with a Cindet face cleanser.
As you're showing your products, let me also
Yes,
show
so
my
that
products.
I mean, honest, like you can see for yourself, these are actually customized. They are different products for different people.
Okay.
So yeah,
This is so she's
Oh, yeah,
got
this is
the
love.
This is love.
how wonderful, no? You can
yeah. Actually, it's really good for traveling because you can lock the.
Yeah. So for me, it is Ultra Smooth Face Cleanser.
Right.
Yours is
Mine is the Cindet face cleanser.
So there are 2 different cleansers, and mine is locked now. What is this? Okay. So here, look
the
at
difference. Mine is a gel-based cleanser, and yours is a cream-based.
yeah.
So see,
I didn't
it's
know that.
different.
I thought that my skin is sort of acne prone, so I'll never get. I thought it'll be all watery.
No, actually, the skin concerns you have, the sensitivity and the dryness. This is the right product for you.
so-
A cream base.
Imagine if I had to buy a face cleanser for me, I would have always read like water based. Like the trend also
And
sort of catches up.
I
right?
would have gone for the cream base considering I have dry patches. So
Oh, that would have been like blunder.
yeah.
Alright, so
So,
actually, let's see how the texture is. Can you see the texture? Cleanser, obviously. For me,
Yes.
there's a little bit of lather.
For me, there's much less and it's much
Yeah,
lighter.
actually, you can see.
Yeah.
We can go a little closer and show if you want to see. That's the purpose of live stream.
Yes.
See, for me, there's a little bit of lather. Can you see?
For me, there's not much lather. It's more like a clear gel, cleansing gel.
Great. And the magician is right behind. And great. So because we're going to show you now the product number 2. So this is a cleanser. Nicely cleanses the skin. And oh my god, I am itching to show the product number 2. This is like my favorite.
Moisturizer.
Yeah,
Oh
the
my,
moisturizer.
this
And
is-
this is the most important for like my regime because I really need moisturization.
Everybody needs
Yeah, and it's a struggle to get a good one for my skin.
Tell me about it. I absolutely love this. If this is you, I can claim it. Let me claim it. Let me tell you. Thank you so much. This is the lightest moisturizer I have ever worn. I mean, I do not know a moisturizer more comfortable than this.
Yeah.
And when you say it from your heart, when you actually use the product, there's a different kind of conviction. So, and I will not just talk about it, I'm going to show. And what I'm going to do is come a little close to the camera, and because, it's so water-based, here, can I go first and show?
Sure,
Okay.
go for it.
So, can you see it's so light? It's just a spray. The consistency.
Feel and
Yeah,
Wow.
it's literally dripping.
It's literally dripping because of what? And absorption. People ask me, is it light? I don't even want to say it's light because it's just like, in 2 swipes, it's like absorbed and it's gone. And if you want to see hydration, you want to see magic better. Like, oh my
Yes.
god, look at the difference. Like,
Oh,
can you
wow.
see?
Yeah,
Like, this looks natural, hydrated. There's a little bit of sheen.
yeah, and
It's a
this
little
looks
dull.
like slightly dryish.
Yeah. That's for me. What's for you?
I actually have a cream-based moisturizer, unlike yours, which
Oh.
was water-based.
Yeah. So.
For me, my moisturizer is cream-based.
Yeah. Let me show again that mine is water based.
Yes, so that is the difference. However, I agree with you. Even my moisturizer, though it's cream based, and most cream based moisturizers feel really heavy on our skin, and you know they can feel sticky. This honestly doesn't. Like just look at this. It's so smooth and it's really light, and it goes.
It's just gone.
It's just gone. It's just gone in the skin, and honestly, just you can see that again. Same. This hand looks so much better than this.
We're like totally in love with the product. Like we can just go.
I'm so glad to see you guys so excited and happy.
And we are so happy that we're in the same frame with her.
Yeah, exactly.
So, Vilobna, what do you think about this opportunity that you actually, you saw the brand Skincraft, and after that you got to use the products, and now you're here at the laboratory. You can actually meet a skin expert. Does it feel like the brand coming alive? Does it like
Definitely, and I think for a lot of people like who shop online, I think it's really important for us to kind of know how the products work in real life and get to know if people are actually happy with them or not. And that's why I was so excited to do this.
Yeah.
Because I really want that. When I'm shopping, it's not enough for me to just see a picture, just read descriptions, and decide whether or not I want to buy this product or not. Like I actually want to see if people, like how these products look and how they work for people.
Yeah.
So that's why I think this idea was great.
Yeah.
This was a great decision on my part also to come here because I'm very excited.
I know. And this is the third product that we're going to show.
Yes.
So for me, this is spot application correction. Should we move again closer?
Yeah, I think we have.
That's the point of live stream, that it's absolutely real. All we want is to talk to you guys, and so many comments coming our way.
Yes.
She's asking, can you wear makeup after Skincraft products?
Yeah, I mean, I don't put a lot of makeup.
We are wearing right now.
Yeah, we are wearing right now, but yeah, you can.
So I definitely
You
cleansed,
can just
moisturized.
skip this last step.
Yes.
Before putting makeup. Like
Yeah.
this is the treatment product that
What
they
is
give
your
you.
treatment product?
My treatment product is anti-aging and antioxidant booster shot.
Mine is advanced acne. Not
So
happy
even
to
though
say
I don't
that.
have any skin problem, everyone ages. So
Yeah.
let's
Yeah.
delay that as much as possible.
Yes. And let's see the product. So
Mine is again gel.
Oh yeah.
Mine is a gel base.
Yeah. So see, two different skin types. What a blunder would it been if we use the same product, right? So that's the kit that we have, and we can come back and so fantastic. So I think right here you can see that there are two different skin types, and we have different products for two different skin types. So what do you want to say, Vilobna?
This was honestly a great decision. I'm so glad that you guys asked me to actually get Skincraft because this is wonderful. And I know people think that, if you have flawless skin, you don't need skincare. You do to keep it flawless.
And like we were saying, this is light on the skin and light on the
Yes,
body.
it is. I mean, honestly, it's very costly to go get specialized products for yourself. Go even see a dermatologist to just go see them. It's so expensive. You have to pay less.
Yeah, I think
nothing.
every visit is like 2,000. Like
Yeah.
Just a visit is
Just
2,000,
a
and then the
visit. And
prescription.
here you're getting 3 products for an entire month for just $1,000, less than that
Less than
actually.
that. And I know a lot of people get confused because they're thinking $9.99. Is it one product or the entire kit?
The entire kit is for $9.99, guys. For an entire month, you have 3 products. Your entire skincare regime in just $9.99 for an entire month.
And you know what? How should they shop if they want to know? You have the link in the profile right here. You just click on that link and you will see Know Your Skin button, which we just explored with Vilobna. You will have the skin ID or the skin quiz, the analysis, and you can subscribe. So this is a monthly subscription, only $9.99, and of course the offer ends tomorrow. And what is the offer? For everybody who shops along with this kit, you also get a night serum which has got a magical in which is
Hyaluronic acid.
hyaluronic acid, and she was telling us in the last segment, you must have also heard that. Are you itching to use it?
Yeah.
Look at her.
I mean, I already have this month's subscription. I can always buy the next month in advance.
And you know what? If you have shopped before the day ends tomorrow, you should definitely DM us your purchase screenshot and tag 5 of your girlfriends and also hashtag Skincraft X Abby. Abby is spelled as ABBY, and you could be one of the 3 lucky shoppers who will get an additional 1-month subscription from Skincraft. So don't lose out on the opportunity. If you're burning a lot of money and not getting great results, then
it hurts. It's
hurts.
heartbreaking.
So completely go on and all right. So that's it. So thank you so much, Vilofna.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It was great being here. It was so nice seeing the brains behind this incredible